Alright guys, I'm doing a review of these Buff Bison snack sticks. So these are on sale, picked them up. And as you can see, no nitrates added. Here's the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. And yeah, that's what they look like. Let's do a quick taste test. Let's open this up. Okay, that's what it looks like. They're like little pepperoni sticks. They taste like little pepperoni sticks that you normally buy, like the hot rods and stuff, but much leaner. And if you look, it's not full of like oils and stuff. Yeah, then check it out, guys. Any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.